Here's another example for us of restored original versus real original. So this is a Copo Camaro, real trick piece from the same year as the Corvair that we were looking at, almost the same color. But if you look at the sheen on this paint, look at the reflective quality. And so as I move it along here, and then if we go and look at the interior, you see how everything just looks that much more fresh and crisp compared to the Corvair. We come back here, everything's impeccable. It's flawless. There's no orange peel in the paint. There's high reflective quality. When you look at the Corvair back over there, which is original, you see orange peel. And the paint doesn't have this depth. The paint doesn't have this type of, almost blind your eyes reflection. What's interesting is I looked at a Z28 Camaro, same year, 69. This restoration's a little more restrained than that one. I very, very much like this restoration, but the car that really has me excited for its condition is that Corvair, because very, very, very rarely do you see something in that condition.